how to connect or integrate Lovable to Supabase. Sign into your Lovable account and click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner. From here, we will need to select settings. Once you click on settings, from the left hand side, you want to choose connectors. And here, if you scroll down, you should be able to find Supabase. If you can't find it, you can just use the search bar. Click on Supabase and then you will need to select Connect Supabase right here. Once you click on it, if you are already signed into your account, then you will need to scroll all the way down and authorize Lovable. Once we click on this green button, then it is going to begin connecting to Supabase. It might take a little bit of time, and if all is well, you will see this message: connection successful. Your Supabase organization has been linked to your workspace. Select a project to finish the setup. And here we can just click on manage connected organizations. You will choose the project which you want to use, or you can also add here more organizations and you will need to authorize it. So here, just wait for it to authorize. And that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.